Next topic is what makes election in India democratic. We get to read a lot about unfair practice in election. So we have already discussed what are the different unfair practice which are being conducted in an election. Newspaper and the television reports often refer to such allegations. So in the newspaper and in the television reports, we often see that these allegations are frequently shown in these news channel and newspaper. Most of these reports are about the following: inclusion of false name and exclusion of genuine names in the voter list. So usually in an election, the including of false name are being done in the voter list, or even the person who is alive, his or her name are eliminated from the voter list. Misuse of government facilities and officials by the ruling party. So there is a misuse of government facilities and officials by a ruling party. Excessive use of money by a rich candidate and big parties. So excessive use of money by the rich candidate and big parties during an election, or especially in the campaign, the election campaign. Intimidation of voters and rigging of the polling boards. So even they try to manipulate the voters by giving some amount of money, maybe 5,000, 10,000. That means you please take 5 to 10,000 rupees and please give vote to my party. That means this is a one way. And other way, they will threaten the voters. That means if you will not give vote to my party, I will kill your family members, including you. So by threat and by giving money, they use different types of dirty tricks in order to come to the power during an election. Many of these reports are correct. We feel unhappy when we read or see such reports. So many of the allegations which we have discussed here, they are true. And when we read about this, especially in the news channel, we feel very bad about it, because whatever the rights which a which the normal citizens of a country should get, they are not getting it. Because why? Because of some political parties, because they are using some dirty tricks. But fortunately, they are not on such a scale so as to defeat the very purpose of election. So they are done in a very minute way, that means very in a small way. This is a reason why these incidents are neglected by our constitution and by our government. This become clear if we ask a basic question: can a party win an election and come to power not because it has a popular support but through electoral malpractices? This is a vital question. Let us carefully examine various aspects of this question. So there are many questions which arise in our mind, but still we continue the election procedure in a democracy the same way which it was occurring earlier. Though there are many malpractices which are happening during an election, but still we neglect it. So this is all about election. You can say what are the different dirty tricks which the political party use it.